I just did a whole daggone video. This is bad, but this is how you do it. I laughed, I joked, I talked. I used one product that every old people use, which is a tube of lipstick, honey. I put this stuff on my lips, put it right here, and put it on my cheekbones. Uh, you have to kind of catch it on an angle. And say the one product that every old people, your grandma used to use, a tube of lipstick. And then mess around here and slick my hair back 2 hours talking to you, laughed and joked and carried on, showed you that daggone seat cover that I didn't get because it didn't have the plugs in it. That's why I didn't get it. You have four plugs on it that you stick the bolt through to mount it to your bike, and they didn't have that in there because it'll move, and then that's not safe. It's not secure. So, but I had showed you the picture of the bike, just like showing it like this in case I couldn't insert it into the video, and this was it. But I told you it wasn't nothing wrong with my seat anyway. I was just looking for another seat. I don't really need another seat, but I'm really comfortable with the seat I have. I told Willie I just don't need another seat. We can do something different. And I did all of that. I talked all about that, talked about his monster truck and everything. Mm. I done did, and then I looked down there and the camera wasn't even rolling. Oh, well, I didn't even take the rubber band off my hair. I just slicked it back with the rubber band still there. And I got clothes up here. Put it over there on the hamper. That's what it's, a hamper over there. And it was a good video too. I was laughing. I was so happy. I was like, it threw me off when I found out that I wasn't recording. Mm. But I did tell you I was gonna come back on here and tell y'all about the seat. So that's what's going on with the motorcycle seat. Um, I really don't need one. I was just getting another one because it was supposed to be more comfortable. But I went and tried my motorcycle seat out, and I have gotten used to it. So I really don't see the need to get another one. Tell you the truth. I told Willie we can use that $200 to get his truck lifted since he want to get his monster truck fixed. Um, we can lift the truck that we have now, cause it's just $400 to get it lifted, and then get buy some big tires to go on it. But I don't think he want that. I think he want to get his other truck fixed, cause he'll have the monster truck going on, and then he have a regular truck just to drive a regular truck without having to climb up in it, cause you have to climb up in those trucks. And I'm thinking he probably just want to have something around here in case something happen. Don't nobody have to climb up in the truck. You can just go and sit down in it and get to going if an emergency or something happen. I'm thinking that's what he's thinking um, about not lifting the truck that we have now unless we get another vehicle like a car or something like that, or a van, sports utility vehicle, something like that. Hmm. Something for me to drive instead of a truck. And if something happened, then we got a another vehicle that's not up off of the ground. Hmm. Child, I talked to y'all about the one product that um what is the one product that your grandma used for makeup? What's the one makeup product your grandmother used? Tube of lipstick, blush, and eye- eyeshadow. And I did that video just a few minutes ago, and I just can't get, I just can't see that I lost the whole video by not even turning it on. That's my bad, my bad. They are you silly too. That's why. I know, right? I'm gonna get off this thing. I don't even know if this good enough to put up, but I put it up for y'all. Just to let y'all know your girl's still here. She's still here. She's still here. Hit that subscribe button, like button, that everything button. Say, Val, why? Why should I do that when you come up here with this? Okay. Love you. Love you. Thanks. Thank you anyway. Don't talk about me bad, y'all. Mm-mm.